This video will be doing a side-by-side comparison of the accessibility improvements done on the dashboard help page, particularly on the navigation component, so the sidebar and the top navigation bar. So to begin, we'll use our accessibility checker, which is called Accessibility Insights for Web, which does a really good job of highlighting the accessibility violations on the page. So a quick run reviews a few issues. We can see we have some elements on the site navigation here highlighted, and some at the top navigation bar here. So let's find out why. Okay, so the reason for this is because the navigation links apparently have an area expanded rule set to false, but the rule is not supported for the type of element, and that element is an HTML anchor tag. Yes. The reason this is happening is because we have an area expanded rule set on an anchor tag, which is not an ideal rule for that element. So it essentially says this tag is working as a button, meanwhile it is not. In order to fix this, we will have to either change the underline items here to buttons or assign them rows of buttons. So I'm going to jump over to the fixed version where we have these issues resolved to show us what we have there. So here is the fixed version with the accessibility improvements enabled. We will run the checker one more time. Okay, there we have it. Great, now we no longer have any violations being flagged on the top navigation on the site navigation component. The reason for that is because we actually changed the role of the drop down items here, setting the row to button. So the area expanded attribute is actually valid for elements which are buttons because they can be used as a toggle. Same goes for the drop down items here, which had a similar issue where they were being used as buttons without being actual buttons. So yeah, we also have a couple of accessibility violations on the dashboard area, but since this is a component driven interface, we will handle these items here separately. So thank you, and up next we'll be working on the actual dashboard landing page.